Hello friends, in this video we are going to discuss how to create a histogram with the help of our software. Histogram is a one specialized bar chart which is used to represent the frequency for a certain range of the elements. And we use the histogram when we are dealing with the large set of data. So to understand the histogram, we are using the inbuilt data file in the R named as a attitude. So first we open the data set. This is attitude. So there are certain vectors are there in this data set, such as rating, complaints, privilege, learning, rages, critical and advanced. So we select the vector advanced to create a histogram. So in the script area I am using the command hist, and the parent file is attitude. We use the sign of dollar and select the vector advance. Now alt plus enter, and you can see in the plot area one histogram appears. It represents a certain range like 20 to 30. The frequency of this 20 to 30 is 1. 30 to 40 and 40 to 50 the employees are 12. 50 to 60 the employees are 3. 60 to 70 employees 1, and so on. So that represents a frequency for a certain range of the element. So this is called the histogram. Now you can make many alterations in this. Let's see, you can decide its limit of the x-axis and limit of the y-axis. So we use the xlim and ylim function for that. So we use xlim. We decide it now 20 to 100, and ylim we select from 0 to 50. So at this point of time the x-axis limit is from 20 to 80 and the y is from 0 to 15. So we change it from 20 to 100 and 0 to 15. So let's see this one. So now my x limit is now changed from 20 to 100 and y is from 0 to 15. So in this way you can change or you can alter its limit of the x-axis and limit of the y-axis. Now you can make one more thing. You can change the size and the numbers of the beans available in the histogram. So what is the beans? Beans is actually a number of the bars. So now this breadth of this one particular bar, that is called the beans. So you can change its number and you can change its size also by using the function breaks. So I copy this command and you can use the function breaks to change the number and size of the beans. So let's see, we take it as a 10 and alt plus enter. So you can see the number of the beans are increased. Now these are total 9 beans are there, and their sizes is also changed as per the data set. So this command you can use to increase or decrease the number of the beans. So let's suppose if we change it from 10 to 5. So let's see this one. So in this way there are total, the sizes or numbers are changes. Now one more thing you can do, you can change its colors also. You can use the command colors, and I'm using the red and green. Now see, you can change the color from red green like this. You can mention the labels of the x-axis and y-axis. So you can use xlab to give the label of the x-axis, like we can give the label is advanced, attitude score, and we can give the title of this chart is as a histogram chart. Now see this one. So this is x-axis is advanced attitude score, y is the frequency, and we assigned the title of this chart is histogram chart. One more thing you can do, you can add one more histogram related to the another vector. So suppose you want to add one more histogram related to the rating. So what you can do, you can use the same command hist, parent file is attitude, a sign of dollar, and you can select this ratings and use the function add equals true. You have to use the boolean command add equals true, and all the labels I want in the next histogram. So this is true, and you can use alt plus enter. So in the chart area you can see one more histogram is added that is related to the rating in the parent histogram. So this is overlap to this one. So in this way you can alter the histogram rated with the specific vector which you want to include in your chart. So this is all about histogram. Thank you so much.